Hey there, y'all. It's been a long time since I took a video of the family fleet, so I figured on this nice Labor Day, I was going to provide an update on all four of the family vehicles. My dad's 2018 GMC Canyon, my mom's 2016 Honda CR-V, my sister's 2019 Nissan Rogue, and my 2019 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack hiding behind the door. No changes have occurred in the family fleet since May 2020, which is when I got the Alltrack, and I have honestly driven more than the rest of my family members combined over the past year and some change, as y'all will see. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. And the first vehicle I will showcase is the only keyed vehicle in the family. There we are. The 2018 GMC Canyon. My dad loves this truck. He works in a tech job, I'll just leave it at that, and he already worked from home twice a week for a few years, but in March 2020, his company sent him home permanently, and his team decided to work from home permanently. So as y'all will see, the Canyon isn't driven a whole lot. $27,941 miles. My dad and I did take a couple trips down to Alabama this year, so that did put some miles on the Canyon, but not a whole lot of driving going on there. But my dad loves this truck. A full size would be kind of cool, like a Sierra or a Ram 1500 or something, but the garage is not very big. The length from the wall to the garage door is only about 220 inches, so this Canyon barely fits in the garage, so no full size for us, unfortunately. And then let's take a look at the oldest car in the family, Mom's 2016 Honda CR-V EX. My mom doesn't drive a whole lot either, but at least she does have some commuting thrown here and there, so a little bit more miles than the Canyon, but not much. And she's about to hit 55,000 miles, 54,949 miles. It is kind of crazy to think about how much cars have changed. This car was purchased brand new 5 years ago, and all the Hondas now have adaptive cruise control, forward collision alert, Apple CarPlay, and this has none of that. The most advanced thing it has is a touch screen with a backup camera, text prompts it reads to you, and the lane watch sensor on the passenger mirror. It does have some general nice features like keyless access, heated seats, a sunroof, which my mom uses regularly. And here's that Alltrack. It's doing very well. Let's take a look at my sister's 2019 Nissan Rogue SV. She's gotten really into kayaking, so she bought some roof rails earlier this year for it. $24,633 miles. I love how that's a pre-facelift Rogue that shows on the gauges rather than this Rogue, the post-facelift version. It does have native navigation and a lot of other features. No fully automatic windows though, which is kind of a bummer. Like, she's got seat memory, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, ProPilot, which is a level 2 autonomous driving system, but no fully automatic windows, and that's something I've really gotten to like on the Alltrack. My 12 Pro Max isn't really liking to focus today either. That's something it doesn't like. And then let's take a look at my 2019 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack SE. Today is one of the only days in a while that I haven't driven a whole lot. I did get a new job that is remote, which is really nice. I'm really happy to have this position, But I'm still doing deliveries, so as y'all see, I put a ton of miles on here. 38,931 miles. Remember, I bought this car brand new May 2020, so yeah, I'm driving a lot. The Rogue was purchased brand new in May 2019. Canyon was purchased brand new New Year's Eve 2018, a demo with about a few thousand miles, and the CR-V was purchased brand new July 2016. I love this Alltrack. I will need another service in a few weeks at this point. Probably sooner. I do have a coupon though for the Volkswagen dealership to get 20 bucks off a service, so that's pretty nice. And after that, I'll probably be going to Take 5 or other places that report to Carfax. And back in June, I did get some new tires. I got these tires called Barham Breveris 5 HMs. They were a lot cheaper than the Continentals. The Continentals were really worn out after 30,000 miles, so I'm glad to have new tires. They handle just like the other tires did, and can't really complain. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that the camera had some issues focusing, but I'm glad I was able to provide an update on the Alltrack, the Rogue, and the Canyon and the CR-V behind me. Thanks y'all so much for watching. It looks like I'm about to hit 500 subscribers, so thanks y'all, and I hope y'all have a happy Labor Day and a great rest of the year. Bye-bye.